Every night, millions of people experience the same frustration. You lie down exhausted, your eyes closed, your body begging for rest, yet your mind refuses to slow down. Thoughts race. Muscles feel tense. Sleep feels close, but unreachable. Most people assume something is wrong with their sleep. In reality, the problem isn't sleep at all. It's your brain. Your brain has one primary job: to keep you alive. It only allows sleep when it believes the environment is safe. If your brain senses ongoing pressure, uncertainty, or threat, it will stay alert, no matter how tired you feel. This is why insomnia is not a discipline problem. It's a safety problem. Modern life constantly sends danger signals to the brain. Work stress, financial pressure, poor sleep timing, constant notifications, bright screens, and never truly disconnecting all keep the nervous system activated. By night, your body is drained, but your brain is still in survival mode. It thinks you need to stay alert. When the brain stays in survival mode, it releases cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone designed for short-term emergencies. At night, cortisol should drop so melatonin, the sleep hormone, can rise. But when stress continues, cortisol remains elevated. This keeps your heart rate slightly high, your muscles tense, and your thoughts active. Sleep cannot begin because the brain believes it's still on duty. This explains why forcing sleep doesn't work. Staying in bed longer doesn't help. And sleeping pills don't solve the real problem. Sedation is not restoration. Real sleep only happens when the brain receives a clear signal that the danger has passed. This is where the 10-minute reset works, because it speaks directly to the nervous system, not willpower. The process starts before you lie down. About 30 minutes before bed, stimulation must decrease. Lights become dimmer. Movements slow. Screens reduce. Bright light and fast motion signal daytime to the brain. Calm and darkness signal safety. This transition prepares your nervous system for rest before sleep even begins. Next comes breathing. Slow, controlled breathing is one of the fastest ways to reduce cortisol. When your exhale becomes longer than your inhale, the brain interprets this as safety. Heart rate drops. Blood pressure lowers. The nervous system shifts out of survival mode. This isn't meditation, it's biology. Then, you release physical tension. Stress doesn't just live in the mind, it stores itself in the body. Tight shoulders, clenched jaws, restless legs all tell the brain to stay alert. By gently tightening and releasing muscle groups, you force that stored tension to leave. When the body relaxes, the brain follows. The brain trusts physical signals more than thoughts. Now comes the mental reset. You cannot stop thoughts by fighting them. That only creates more mental activity. Instead, you give the brain something neutral and boring to focus on, simple imagery with no emotion or effort. This mimics the natural transition into dreaming and allows the thinking brain to disengage. As breathing slows, muscles soften, and thoughts lose structure, cortisol